Welcome to our 2023 Homecoming Pep Rally. This is our annual Homecoming Pep Rally where we bring the entire community together. That's every division out here in one space to really celebrate us as a community and recognize our championship teams from last year.
Welcome, Colorado County! Are we excited? We're gonna make some new traditions for CA right now.
It's gonna be so fun, super awesome, super.
Try and make CA a tight community and bring people together.
Everybody give it up for God!
Just a reminder of how special our campus can be and always is when all of our students come together.
It brings our community together.
Go CA!